my co-member, Mahmoud. Next one. Next one. This is my content. First, we will try to have the introduction of our product. Next, Mahmoud will doing to tell us the design detail. Next, I will try to do some future imagining because our product is not good enough, so we need more development. And finally, I still will to introduce about how we could work. Introduction. First, I will say this is a smart parking system. As we all know, for now, the world is going to the IT age, so everything can be used for a smart system. We can use computers to capture everything. And automatically is the most important thing because it can save people's time, it can make life easier, and also it can make our life more convenient. For multiple parking level, I suppose everyone have learned about this. It was began at Germany and Japan because the lack of the land, so they have to think about the thing to save space. They want to have new things that can save space and also park more cars. So they can make the space over the normal parking to be the parking that they can move. So they decide this kind of motion. You can see this is the motion direction. It is all automatically. The first one is already rotated to up, and next another side will come down. And as this one is the mode of smart parking shows. It was being built by the control system, garage system, waiting area, and transfer cabin. First, what is control system? Control system is a kind of system of control by a computer that we can know which one is going to which empty car parking space. It is connected with the waiting area and garage system. Its waiting area is also the one you want to your car come out, and transfer cabin is the one for the key point to connect these two, and the most important thing by control system. So the thing, imagine that you drive a car, go to a car park. The thing you want is like you want to park it hurry because you want shopping, you want to eat your food, you don't want to waste your time to find an empty space and to try to wait for someone comes out and then driving. You just need to park in already there space empty. Then you just need comes out, take your ticket. Then you will see your car comes up to an empty room. And after you finish your shopping, after you finish your eating, then you just come out with your ticket. Then your car is automatically come out. You just drive your car. So convenient, so fast. That's the new improvement of the life. This one is another kind of easy rotation of this system. You can see the car comes up, comes down, just by this simple system. And this one is kind of 2D vision of our product. Next one, let's do the Mahmoud design. Yeah.
So this is a plate which will be holding the car. When you park the car is parked on this plate. The maximum length will be around 5.9 meters, which is the length of the car, and maximum width, the width of the car should be this plate should be somewhat bigger than the car, so it can hold larger cars. And the maximum height depends on the height of the car. If basically usually the height is 4.2 meters. The height is 4.2 meters, so it will be big enough to accommodate a car in it. So also the weight is measured with it, so it can hold heavy cars as well. Yeah. So this is the rotatory motor which rotates with the parking as rotates in a chain manner. And yeah. So the mass required would be 399.82 kgs. The area required would be 2. So these are basically the required areas and the center of gravity. The materials we are could be steel and carbon. Generally, these are like the mass density is 7.87 grams per centimeter cube. Yield strength, centimeter drag strength, stress also matters in this.
Yeah. So now I'm going to talk about future because our product is not finished. So I just put the old one. For future, this is only part of our multiple level parking. One, this should be the beginning and the finish. But the main part is storage, the garage. This is not enough room for a lot of cars. It cannot be used for large shopping center, and everyone knows this in China, this in my country, there's a lot of cars. You cannot park in this small. So we need a larger. So I'm thinking about just put it as a beginning. You just need to park car inside, and this system will transform it to another storage car garage, so that it can be parked more cars than this one. Maybe it's a million something. It's too much. Just 100. It should be, and also it will go to another to avoid some transform error. So the car getting from one side and comes out from another side. It can avoid sometimes you have to wait for a long line to car get in, enter, and wait for the car comes out. So it will be only one part of our future. And also, this is not finished, so we need it much safer. How much it can carry? If it is raining, what will happen? If it's windy, what will happen? If even earthquake, what will happen? Is it safe enough? So it's all the things that we need to think about it. Another way, people will think about, how's my car? Where it's broken inside? How I will think about it. So it should have enough safe space to avoid some crash, some dangerous things, or maybe just someone didn't park well. So we have to have another system to detect it to avoid this kind of things happen. And also, kids is another kind of dangerous thing for this system. So we need to have detected for the basement, so that it can avoid people or they didn't know how this system well, so they maybe just stand there for some checking, but they don't just may see the car comes from ahead. So that will be very dangerous. We need more improvements and more time to deal with it. For our group work, our group is beginning from the third week, and we was planning for the multiple parking from third week, and we was trying to find what should we do for this parking. We want safety, quickly, and much better room. So we make a prep about our system, but as you know, our presentation didn't finish it. Our group didn't finish the project, so that will be our group keep doing all this. Then conclusion. The safety of a car and the safety about parking is also important. How much weight a car can be offered. So how much this parking can be offered. So that's the key point about to select the material. Just as Mohammed said, we was planning to select the steel and carbon as the material we want to select, because we test the yield stress, we test the module, we have Disney and the cost. So it will become the first two materials that we were going to select. Then we built SolidWorks 3D model as SolidWorks so that we can know how it works, is it work well. Also, is this engine? This should be most important things to carry this whole system working. And also we need someone good at computer to help us to build a safety system. Anyone have a question?
Question from audience?
Yes.
What kind of surface it's all utilized?
It's kind of chain connector. If go down, you go up, go back to the. If you see here, you will see this a wire of our product, and you can see this a type here. So if this engine will be here, and it will be carry a whole wire, and the wire will be carry the chain, and the chain will connect it to the base of the car parts, just like this part. So it depends on how engine work, and it will be carry all system components.
There is every car has a different rate. So every block have different various cars like small cars, SUV, then it depends upon the weight of the car. Because it is all sensor system, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So how it will work?
So for now, we just use the model as a UP car, as a small car that we always use. So we use that as an example to design this kind of basic product, so that we will try to find some SUVs. Maybe in the future you will see small parking and SUV parking, and also some garage, other kind of cars parking. So that all will be possible because every kind of car should be calculated carefully. That's the very key point.
So like you also mentioned about the ticket, like the ticket will be scanned and the cards.
Yeah.
Like if there is shopping day or something, so many people will come and go. So is there anything that makes easy, like from the second part the car will come, and from this part the car will come out for convenience of the people?
Actually, the ticket is for the car to take your car. It's not for parking your car. Because parking your car, we can use the kind of system already be applied in China. Just it will be scanned your number of your car, so that it will be print with your tickets, so that you can take out your car, buy your ticket. It's not parking your car. But the speed is kind of the thing we will going to try to serve in the future.
Thank you.
Building that idea is going to work because building that is going to cost more than building broken parkings.
Yeah, but at the beginning of my presentation, I was talking this kind of design was be used as German and Japan. Because the leg of the land was so less. They did not have enough room to put car there because the people, everyone wants a car, although I did not have this. So everyone wants a car, they have to put their car in some space, but they did not have enough land. How can it be? They cannot to put C as land, although that's so expensive. So we just try to use this kind of system. It's much easier and much quicker. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
One more question?